I talk to a great many guys who are highly motivated and skilled and really interested in starting their own home appliance repair business. They are stopped by one simple thing: lack of cash. Common problem. Well, I've got a solution. Our shopping cart, Shopify, offers low down payment plans suited to any budget, and it's not a tough credit check. They are very liberal, and my students love it. They love it because they never thought they could get their business going, and here they are doing great, making money. I want to show you exactly how it works by demonstrating the process and showing you just how easy it really is. The first step is go to my website, uncleharry.com, and go to either the physical products or the digital products top banner. For instance, we choose the Wizard tablet, which is a very popular product. And then there's a Buy Now button in the description of that product. Tap that button to go to the Shopify shopping cart. This takes you to my online storefront, Shopify, where you can view samples, more details on my products, and as you can see, there's an option here called Shop Pay. If you click that option, it brings up the payment plan choices that are available for that product. Further options are available under Continue to Payment Plans. That's all there is to it. You're good to go. You will receive links to digital products in a few minutes, and physical products will be shipped FedEx promptly.